Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML semantic elements. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML aside element. The aside element defines some content aside from the content it is placed in, like a sidebar. The aside content should be indirectly related to the surrounding content. For example, display some content aside from the content it is placed in. Let's say quickly, let me show you something right here. As you can see, this one right here, we are going to use it now so we can do something quickly. As you can see, our document is empty right now, and let's use one aside. To define aside element, you are going to use p tag. Yeah, when you write, you can write anything inside your p tag, and also you can now place write aside element. Inside this aside element, you can now write anything again that you want to write. You can even give it h1, and you can give it any other thing. You can give it header. So that's how the aside element works. So quickly, let me copy and paste some things that we can use inside our aside element here. Our aside element here is having picking. So inside this one now, we are having this. So let me bring it in. Let's give this h4 so it can look neat. You can give it h1 also, don't mind it. So you can give any h tag, any h1 tag, h2, or any element tag that you want. Just give it. So as you can see, this one now, I've pasted some things, some content inside here so that we can be able to have something to work with. You can see it's looking neat now. So as you can see, it looks neat now. Let's save our document first. But before we save our document, we still need some content here for the top element, which is the p tag that we have at the top. So let's copy this and place it inside our p tag also. This p tag, you notice that it's outside of the aside element. So let's place it inside of it like that and see how our document will look. So quickly, let's save our document right now and reload. Can you see how our document looks? So as you can see, the aside element, everything inside the aside element is all this one at the bottom here. As you can see, all this one at the bottom here is all the content inside the aside element. But one thing I want to tell you is that the only way you can understand this aside element very well is when you style it. So in our next tutorial, we are going to discuss about how to style it very well so you can understand it in deep way. Anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And the next. Bye bye.